Aux sources du fleuve commence un voyage dans le temps sur les traces de tes oiseaux disparus.
Audubon was an early environmentalist, and so much of what he worried about came true.
Tu prédisais, il n'y aura plus aucun poisson, les magnolias disparaîtront des forêts de Louisiane, des millions d'oiseaux seront exterminés.
We have 10,000 plus miles of canals and pipelines that have been dredged through these pristine landscapes that once were prairies.
They poison the soil, the air, and the water.
Now it's becoming mostly marsh. You can't really live here.
Many artists in this period recognized that there was something to be gathered from the wilderness and documented before it was lost.
He did a marvelous job, and no one has ever even come close to him, or ever will, because a lot of the birds are so very scarce that you couldn't do it again.
This is what happens when you don't take care of the wildlife and the natural lands. You will end up with extinctions.
If it don't stop, our children might not live to be our age.
Tu écrivais, si toutes les bêtes disparaissaient, l'homme mourrait d'une grande solitude d'esprit.